Life is short. How to truly live every moment? Most people live as if they have infinite time, but the truth is, the average person only has about 30,000 days to live. If you're 30, you've already spent 11,000 of those days, gone forever. Someday is a dangerous illusion that tricks us into believing we have unlimited time. The goal isn't just to manage time but to truly live it. In the following chapters, you will discover powerful strategies to make your time count. Chapter 1: Understanding Time Perception. Time feels like it speeds up as we age because our brains record fewer new experiences. As children, life feels slower because everything is new. As adults, routines make days blur together. To counter this, embrace novelty. Take different routes to work, learn a new skill, or strike up conversations with strangers. Each new experience forces the brain to engage, making time feel longer. We often overestimate what we can achieve in a day but underestimate what we can accomplish in a year. Long-term commitment is key to meaningful progress. Chapter 2: Priority Management. Many confuse busyness with productivity. A simple way to clarify priorities is the deathbed test. Imagine yourself at 90, what moments will matter? Extra hours at the office or time spent with loved ones? Use the to-list strategy, write down everything you want to achieve, circle the top 3, and ignore the rest. Avoid distractions like social media and unnecessary meetings. Focus on what truly matters. Chapter 3: Relationships and Social Wealth. Relationships are like bank accounts. Each interaction is a deposit or withdrawal. Small, consistent acts of kindness matter more than grand gestures. Shared suffering strengthens bonds more than shared pleasure. Weak ties, casual acquaintances and distant friends, provide new opportunities and perspectives. Helping others paradoxically makes you feel like you have more time. Chapter 4: Career and Purpose. Your best career opportunities are just outside your comfort zone. This is the adjacent possible, the balance between what you know and what you could know. A common career mistake is optimizing for money too early. Prioritize learning over earning. Skills are like lottery tickets for future opportunities. Money follows knowledge. Forget the career ladder. Careers today are jungle gyms. Move sideways, diagonally, or even backward. Each move builds a unique skill combination that makes you irreplaceable. Chapter 5: Health and Vitality. Health amplifies everything in life. Would you rather have 12 draining hours or 8 energized ones? Energy matters more than time. Sleep is a brain superpower. Without it, decision-making suffers. Recognize that you're two different people. Morning you makes plans, evening you executes them. Be kind to your future self by making sustainable commitments. Micro workouts are a life hack. Small movements throughout the day, push-ups, stretching, short walks, add up. Chapter 6: Lifelong Learning and Growth. Want to learn faster? Teach it. Explaining something forces deeper understanding. Biographies offer lifetimes of lessons in a few hours. Learn from others' mistakes instead of making them yourself. Constraints fuel creativity. Limited time, money, or resources force innovation. Know when to quit. Strategic quitting isn't failure, it frees space for better opportunities. Chapter 7: Emotional Intelligence. Emotions have a timer. The chemicals that trigger anger, fear, or frustration last about 90 seconds. After that, you choose to stay in that emotion. While you can't control the first wave of emotion, you can control the second. Emotional regulation is a superpower. Intelligence may get you the job, but emotional mastery gets you promoted. Avoiding difficult conversations is like accumulating emotional debt, it only gets worse over time. Address issues early and honestly. Chapter 8, Financial Wisdom. Money represents freedom over your time. Earning more doesn't always mean having more time. Higher income often leads to a more expensive lifestyle, creating new burdens. Consider time affluence. Would you rather make $100,000 working 80 hours a week or $70,000 working 30? Your true hourly rate includes all sacrifices made for that money. Buy experiences, not objects. Objects depreciate, but experiences appreciate in value over time. Chapter 9, Creative Living. Creativity isn't about waiting for inspiration, it's like a faucet. Turn it on, let the bad ideas flow, and clear space for the good ones. Constraints fuel creativity. Unlimited options overwhelm people. Restrictions force ingenuity. Separate creation from judgment. Many try to create and critique simultaneously, like driving with one foot on the gas and the other on the brake. First, create. Judge later. Chapter 10, Personal Energy and Focus. Energy is more valuable than time. Time management is pointless if you're constantly drained. Audit your energy. Some activities boost it, others drain it. A morning walk. Energy boost. Toxic friendships. Energy vampire. The best don't rely on willpower, they design environments that make good choices effortless. Conclusion, make your time count. Life isn't about finding more time, it's about using the time you have wisely. Start small. Pick one strategy, apply it, and make it yours. The best time to begin. Right now.